So right now, you see the sandpaper's in there, and I'm just sanding it. It's gonna take a little while because it's hard to get in there, and I gotta keep changing the sandpaper because the more abrasive it is, the easier it is to get in there. So you can see this part is sanding good, and then I'm catching that inner part, but not too much. So it's kind of hard, and I'm not gonna sand it too much because I just want it to get rough enough so that the paint will stick. All right, so let's apply the final coat, the third coat. All right, third and final coat. Let's do this. Alright, sorry I didn't get to video the whole process, but basically I just covered the top springs, which has the cowl for the shocks up in here, so I don't need any of this area, so I just covered with plastic, covered this section here. I wrapped you can see I wrapped the springs all the way up, and down here at the bottom there was some black plastic covering the shocks. I don't know what that's for, but I didn't want to mess with it, so I just left it alone. You can see I'm gonna leave this part silver. It's gonna look nice once I do the clear coat, and there's no clear coat yet, so that's the top coat, which is the red anodized, and kind of looks red anodized here, but you can see up here it kind of look blood red, but it looks pretty good in the sun. So, and you can see all in there, it's all pretty even, all pretty good, and all the way in there I caught the underneath also. So hopefully tomorrow I have time, we can do the clear coat.